Hi guys! Last time we downloaded and installed JMeter. Now we need to install plugin manager for JMeter. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. Lots of interesting videos ahead. Follow the link in the description. Download the plugins manager jar file and put it into JMeter's this directory. Click here and save the jar file. Here it is. Cut out, double click, double click, double click, double click, and insert. Start JMeter. Wait. And go to Options menu to access the Plugins Manager. We see installed plugins, available plugins and upgrades. In the next video I will show you how to install and remove plugins. Subscribe to channel and like this video. Bye guys.